iPhone 7 sound issue. I'm gonna try and test it. As you can see the phone going on, but there's no sound, and the speaker icon is not active, so you won't be able to put on loudspeaker. There's few options you can do before changing the IC. Some people believe that if you reset the phone, it will help. So we go ahead and do reset all settings. Reset all settings. After resetting the phone settings, once again, go ahead and check as you can see, still no look. So loudspeaker, air speaker, none of them works. Even if we do a factory reset like default settings, still doesn't help. So even if you erase the phone, it doesn't help. So there's a problem on a sound IC, which is need specialists to do it. So if you are professional, you can do. You need to take to your local phone shop repair to do it for you.
Thank you for calling Vodafone. To get you to the right board, we just need to know what number or service you need with. To chat about the number you're calling from, please 1.